All good? Yeah. A very easy affair, a very, very easy affair. See, a very easy affair. If for a vector, angle made with x-axis is 60 degree, angle made with y-axis is 30 degree. So what will be the angle made with z-axis? If for a given vector, angle made is with x-axis is 60 degree, angle made with y-axis is 30 degree. So what will be the angle made with z-axis? Quickly. 270. No. Hmm. अरे नहीं भाई नहीं. That is the problem. Now relax. Good. 90 is good. Now 90 is good. Now 90 is good. 90 is good. See, what will you say? Cos square 60 plus cos square 30 plus cos square unknown was equal to 1. Coincidentally, you know this is equal to 1, right? Clear? Yes. 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 What happened, Adhiyaman? Acha, okay. Mistake. No problem. No problem. Clear? Yeah. Good. Easy, right? Easy, easy, easy. So we were talking about equation of line, okay? And I have told you a simple thing that as we always carry a variable x, y, and z cassette, okay, for Cartesian system. So in the vector system, we have a single r. What is r vector equal to? R vector is equal to xi plus yj plus z. So equation of any line is just lambda b. Okay. What is a and what is b? Understand? So a is a point through which it is passing, and b is in the direction with it is going. Clear? Sure. In Cartesian system, understand, in Cartesian system, the same equation is given by x minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c, where a, b, and c are direction ratios, okay, and x1, y1, and z1 is the point through which the line is passing. Like if I'll ask you a question, simple question, huh? We'll call example with one formula. I'll give you one example. Simple. Let's keep it very simple. A simple question. What is the equation of a line, okay, which passes through 1, 2, and minus 3 and is parallel to and is parallel to 4I minus 2j plus k. Sure? Fine. So this question itself is in a mixed format. So I'll give you the answer in both. If I want to give the answer in vector format, my answer will be R is equals to A I plus 2j minus 3k plus lambda B. What is B? Direction. 4I minus 2j plus k. That is it. That is it. That's it. Clear? No simplification. Now, when you are writing the same equation for a Cartesian system, you will be like x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Like R. I have written what? R. Clear? So that means I am telling you what is lambda. Okay. R minus, understand this? I don't know. X1, y1, z1 passes through x1, y1, z1. Clear? In the direction of 4 minus 2 1. Got it? That is it. This is the equation. Clear? Now Dharni and all other friends who are looking for lambda, because lambda is this proportionality ratio. Okay? Clear? That this proportionality ratio is called lambda. Clear? Got it? Got it. What can you tell me? Okay, so instead of writing parallel, if it is and perpendicular to this, right or not? This is a question, Sukuntan.
Cutting prices is widely accepted as the best way to keep customers during.
Clear? You want you asking this? Okay. Now better see. Understand. With perpendicular, they will give some extra information. Why? Because perpendicular are infinite lines. You know, perpendicular doesn't rigidify the direction. Clear? That is why. Clear? Good, good, good. So they will give some extra information through which you can calculate. Clear? Now the same thing, understand, the same thing, the same thing, the same thing, the same thing, the same thing. If I'll erase the question, understand, and ask you equation of a line which passes through 1 comma 2 comma minus 3 and 4 comma 3 comma minus 2, then can you directly calculate or will you still need some parallel sign? Directly. How? So you will be like, sir, the numerator, suppose sir we are writing the Cartesian format. Sir, we can keep the numerator same. In the denominator, we have to write the direction. Now the direction of this line is this. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Minus 2 minus 3, 1. Got it? Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Sure. Good. Very good. Sure. Very, very good. Very good. Understood? Can we write with other one? Which other one, bete? Why to subtract beta? See, just a point will not give you direction. You will need to know the direction. So you are looking at the displacement, right? By there is 1 point here, 1 point here. From 1 point to infinite lines can go. But from one point in one direction, only one line can go. That is why this direction is calculated by subtraction. Clear? So now suppose if you have to write the same thing in vector format. Yeah, exactly. So Kuntal, if you have to write the same thing in vector format, nothing, no problem. Same thing. R is equals to here A, either write this or this, no problem. Clear? So I plus 2j minus 3k plus plus lambda into 4 minus 1, same 311, 3i plus j plus k. Got it? Easy, 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 easy. Very good. Now understand this. Very easy scenario, beta. Very, very easy scenario. If I'm telling you that there are two lines, line 1 and line 2. Line 1 is simple, huh? X minus 1 upon 2, y minus 2 upon 3, z minus 3 upon 4. Okay? Yeah, exactly. That is the final answer, Dharni. No variation. That is R is equals to A plus lambda B is the final format. Okay? No simplification. Got it? Good. Now, line 1 looks like this. Line 2 looks like this. Okay? The question is, what is the point of intersection? Right? These two lines might intersect, na? They are surely not parallel. If they would have been parallel, then denominator of 1 upon denominator of 2 is equals to denominator of 1 upon denominator of 2 is equals to denominator of 1 upon denominator 2 of x, of y, and of z. 2 upon 2 is not equal to 3 upon 1, hence they are surely not parallel, right? Clear? Good. So, well, sir, is that the final answer? Yeah, okay, I had answered. Yeah. So what will you do? See, you will put any one equation equal to any proportionality constant like lambda. You can take lambda, t, anything. We are taking lambda only. Is it fine? So the general x for this line is 2 lambda plus 1. The general y for this line is 3 lambda plus 2. The general z for this line is 4 lambda plus 3. Can you get it? 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 So at the point of intersection, these two lines will have same point. So I am putting it here. So I will get yes, it will be parallel. If the denominators are proportional, it will be parallel lines. Okay. Now, so you will have, see, understand this, 2 lambda plus 1 plus already written 1 upon 2 equal to 3 lambda plus 2 plus already written 2 upon 1 equal to 4 lambda plus 3 plus already written 1 upon 5. Can you get that? Yeah. Can you solve for lambda? 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 Yes, you can easily solve for lambda. 1 goes here. 2 lambda plus 2 is equals to 2 goes here. 6 lambda plus 8. Minus 6 equal to 4 lambda. Lambda equal to minus 6 by 8 from this proportion. Right or not? Yes or no? From this proportion, what is coming? 5 3s are 15 lambda plus 20 equal to 4 lambda plus 4. 11 lambda equal to minus 16. Is it coming same? No. What is the meaning of this? These lines are not parallel, neither will they intersect. These kind of lines are called skew lines. What are they called? Skew lines. How are skew lines made? Okay. See, over a two-dimensional plane beta, you can have only two options. Either two lines will intersect or they will be parallel, right or not? Any other option? No. But in a three-dimensional world, right now in front of you, keep your two hands, okay, cross them and then uplift them. So you will see exactly, very good. You will see they are neither intersecting nor they are parallel, right or not? Sure. Got it? Okay. Sure. No, beta, nowhere. Every line need not to be passed from origin, na beta. All the lines don't pass from origin, right, Kaladiti? Yeah, good. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Good. Ready? In that case, you will have to find the distance between two lines. What is the case? Distance between two lines. Clear? But direction ratios will be proportional. Like if I'll write line 1, na, there are denominators here, and line 2, there are denominators here. These denominators will be proportional. Okay. 2 upon 4 equal to 3 upon 6 equal to 8 upon 16 type. Perpendicular, dot product will be 0. Okay. A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus E1 C2 equal to 0. Got it? Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. We will cover that when we will talk about the angle between two lines. Okay. So what I was saying something else. Distance between two lines. Right? Sure. Good. Now understand this. Okay. You will receive three types of lines in 3D: parallel, intersecting, and skew. Right or not? Parallel lines, okay, sure, will look like this. See, understand? R is equals to A1 plus lambda B1 and R is equals to A2 plus lambda B2. Can you think about the two lines visible in your mind? When lines are parallel, B1 and B2 are proportional, right or not? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Repeat. When, see, consider two equations of line, two lines, okay? R is equals to A1 plus lambda B1 and R equal to A2 plus lambda B2, okay? This is line 1, this is line 2. This is the point where you get the direction, this is the passage points, right or not? So if two lines are parallel, B1 and B2 are proportional. That is what we said, na? That is what we have considered, right? We know. Yes. Fine. Good. Okay. Sure. So the distance between two parallel lines is A2 minus A1. Got it? Cross product with B whole divided by magnitude of B. Got it? It will be kept in mod because distance cannot be negative. Clear, 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 clear. Easy, easy. We are same, na? Proportional, right? Adhima, parallel lines, parallel lines. Select any one B. Okay, out of the two, select any one. Why am I saying that? See, beta. See. This factor will not have any numerical influence. Why? Because this is a unit vector. You know it or not from 11th grade? This is a unit vector. A vector divided by its own magnitude is unit vector. So it will not have any influence. You can select any one, but select both same. Don't do B1 here and B2 here or the vice versa. Okay? If you are selecting B1 here, select B1 here. If you are selecting B2 here, select B2 here. Got it? Sure? Good. Now, easy. Yeah, B is for direction, beta. Clear? Got it. Then we need not write itself since it is. Abe, oh, that cross product will influence ना. हे भगवान, इतना laziness का क्या ही करेगा ये आदमी. Okay, chalo, good. So, like simple question now. Line 1 is given as I minus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into 2I minus j. Clear? Line 2 is x minus 2 y minus 3 z upon. Clear? Okay, upon 4 minus 2 2. What is the distance between these two? Clear? So you are like, okay, distance is equals to mod of a2 minus a1. This is 2 3 0. Clear? 2 minus 1 1. 3 minus 2 0 minus 3. Got it? Cross multiplied with, which one you want to select? This one or this one? P or Q? Chal. Gunaprasad, see beta. Gunaprasad, simple. There were two lines we had to recognize first thing that whether their direction ratios are proportional or not. 2 into 2 4, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, they are proportional, hence they are parallel. As they are parallel, we are applying the formula of parallel distance. Clear? What is the formula of parallel distance? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. Clear? Point is 2 3 0. Point is 1 minus 2 3. Got it? Guru Prasad? Good. Now what is B? So people are telling me to use P. Okay. P is 2 minus 1 1, that is 2I minus J plus K divided by square root of square root of square root of square root of. Quickly, 4 5 6. Clear? So good. Calculate cross product. Cross product is I J K. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऐसे नहीं होगा बेटा, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट प्रॉपरली आएगा. वोंट बी जस्ट अ नॉर्मल क्रॉस. नो, ऐसे ऐसे स्क्वायर रूट 74 174 आ ही नहीं सकता क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट इज okay, 1 5 minus 3 1 5 minus 3 2 1 1 2. Clear? 6 minus minus 3 9I minus J 1 minus minus 6 7. Clear? 1. Clear? Sure. Then K. Where beta? See, 1 क्या हो गया? किधर पे वैसे? ओहो, अत्याचार हो गया, अत्याचार. ओहो, सॉरी 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 sorry 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 1 5 minus 3 1 5 minus 3 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 1. yes, I 5. तो ये तो अत्याचार हो जाएगा. 5 में से 3 चले गए, बचा 2. J 1, ये तो सही था, minus 7J. K minus 1 minus 10 minus 11. Clear? Numerator is like this, denominator is root 6. Sure. Now it will be what the other friend of ours was saying, 121 and 49 and 4. And divide by 6. Can I say that? Beta, Girjesh, by looking at these, okay, magnitude is given by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, Badal? Yeah. चमका कितना है भाई? 10 4 14 का 4, हंसलाई 1 4 और 3 7 और 1, बाप रे बाप, बाय 6. 6 2 are 12 है ना? बहुत सारा आएगा, बहुत सारा. हाँ, बहुत सारा आएगा. 87 by 3 तो डिविजिबल है बे, 19 हो जाएगा. कुछ गलत किया तुम? अभी ठीक है. 89 कैसे होगा? 80 सही तो आ रहा है मेरा आंसर, 29 आएगा यार, सही तो बोल रहा हूं मैं, डिविजिबल है, सही तो बोल रहा हूं मैं, सही तो बोलता हूं मैं यार। √29 चमका, गॉट इट। गुड, एक क्वेश्चन करोगे? अभी नहीं दूंगा, अभी पहले थोड़ा कंफ्यूज करना, पहले जो मजा आता है ना कंफ्यूज करवा के क्वेश्चन करवाने में, बहुत मजा आता है यार। अभी कंफ्यूज करता हूं, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज। line 1 and line 2. Line 1 looks like x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Line 2 looks like x, y minus 1, z upon 2, 1, 3. चलेगा? Are they parallel? Yes or no? Shabash. Can you confirm whether they are skew lines or intersecting lines? Just by looking, though, surely not, right or not? Just by looking, we cannot confirm whether they will be skew or intersecting. Okay, sure. Just by looking, we can only confirm whether they are perpendicular lines or okay, parallel lines. Clear? Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Kevin? Okay, now see, simple. The distance is given by, please note, the distance is given by mod of A2 minus A1 dot multiplied by B1 cross B2 whole divided by magnitude of B1 cross B2. डिफरेंस पता चला फॉर्मूले का, फॉर्मूले का डिफरेंस पता चला, 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 फॉर्मूले का डिफरेंस पता चला। यस एग्जैक्टली, गुड। चलो फटाफट करो। So you will be like, देखो, A2 minus A1 is 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 0 is 1, 0, 1, 0. Clear? Beta, see, abhi, I even don't know whether it is a skew line ka set or intersecting line ka set. Just by looking at the question, the formula is for non-parallel lines. We don't know whether they will be intersecting line or skew. If the distance will come as 0, they will be skew line, intersecting lines. If the distance will come some number, they are skew lines. Got it? Abhi it will work for very good, very good, very good, very good. So 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 3 minus 0, 3. Got it? Dot product with B1 cross B2. What is B1 cross B2? I, J, K. Right? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. This is A2 minus A1. Okay, Adhiyaman? Okay. I into 6 minus 3, 3. Minus J into 3 minus 6 minus 3. K into 1 minus 4 minus 3. Okay, what it is? 3I plus 3J minus 3K. Got it? Sure. Sure. Denominator is denominator is denominator is square root of 27. Clear? Okay. वेरी गुड. तीन तीन छ में से 9 गए -3 by 3√3. आंसर इज 1/√3. चमका 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 चमका. पॉजिटिव ओनली, पॉजिटिव ओनली, पॉजिटिव ओनली, पॉजिटिव ओनली, पॉजिटिव ओनली. Everyone, I am not just waiting for Nirmal, others also. Right, very good, very good, very good, very good. Got it, got it. Good, very good, very good. Easy, comfortable. Now see here, there is a hack. I'll tell you. If someone just asks to test, if someone just asks to test whether the two given lines are intersecting lines or skew lines, do this. If this is equal to 0, then intersecting lines. If this is not equal to 0, then skew lines. Got it? Repeat. Ganesh, someone asks you, by giving two lines like this, check whether these lines are skew lines or not. Like not skew lines, they will like MCQ type question. For the given two lines, line 1 is perpendicular to line 2, line 1 is parallel to line 2, line 1 is intersecting line 2, line 1 and line 2 are skew lines. Right or not? Sure. So you will just check this. See, perpendicular or parallelism, so you can just by looking at tell, right or not? Perpendicularism or parallelism, you can just look and tell. About intersecting and skew is the only thing of thoda sa effort required. Okay. Sure. Good. Chalo. Ready? Good. हाँ अरे why one? We'll do 2 3. Okay, ready? Hack, no hack, beta, matlab just in this formula, you remember this formula? If someone will ask you whether, check whether the two given lines are parallel or perpendicular. See, like, parallel or perpendicular. So you will do this no dot product, and proportional then parallel. If their dot product is 0, then perpendicular. But suppose they ask whether they are intersecting or skew, you don't have a very chotu sa method. You will have to go for this. If this is coming equal to 0, then intersecting. If this is coming not equal to 0, then skew lines. Okay. So only this. So good. Ready? Simple question and a quick answer. Huh? Line 1 is given as x upon 2 equal to 1 minus y upon 3 equal to z upon 1. Line 2 is equal to r is equals to I minus j plus k plus lambda into 2I minus j. What is the distance between them? Quickly, I'm just asking you a distance. Quickly. So bad, huh? No problem. Answer should come correct. No mistake, huh? You are doing slow and fine. Very good, Adhiyaman. Root 6 by 3. थोड़ा सा देखो because your answer is slightly unmatching with Adhiyaman, and Adhiyaman check Nirmal's. Nirmal checks Adhiyaman. Yeah, so this was the question, right? Has people like have they left? Okay, 1 minus 2j plus k. Okay, and we have to find b1 across b2. Clear? So people were like, I actually what has happened, like is an update going on in the system, and if not today, then Saturday, tomorrow will be a holiday because of Ganpati Puja. Okay, and like that. Clear? So I had to take that call. Now it's updated. It's quite good now. So ijk, and this is 2 minus 3 1, 2 minus 3 1, and this is 2 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 0. Got it? So this is coming out to be I into 0 minus minus plus 1 minus j into 0 minus 2 and k into minus 2 minus of minus 6, that is 6 minus 2 4. Clear? Now I plus 2j plus 4k divided by the magnitude 1 plus 4 5 plus 16. Clear? Root 21. Now numerator is the dot product. 1 minus 4 plus 4. So answer is 1 by square root 21. Any doubt? Sir, in L1, 1 minus y by 3, should we multiply with minus 1 in both? So beta see, that's why if you look here, this is not a format. What is a format? Format is y minus. So you take minus 1 common, it will become y minus 1 upon minus 3. This minus 3 is here and this 1 is here. Got it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sir, that 1 minus 4 plus 1 are in vector formats. No, sir. No, beta, that's a dot product. Dot product, dot product, dot product. Okay, Abhinav? Dot product is scalar. Got it? Beta, what happens, sir? Then we have to take magnitude. No, sir. Hey, this is mod, beta. This is mod. Mod for positive or negative type. Got it? Very good. Good, 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 good. This was about distance between two lines, okay? Sure. Now moving to angle between two lines. So you know either the B part or the denominator part are direction ratios, right or not? Clear? So if there are two lines है ना, looking like, so then cos theta is the dot product divided by individual magnitude. Okay, clear? Like in previous case, understand? In this case, what is the angle between these two lines? So cos theta is equal to 2 to 4 minus 3 minus 1 3 1 0 0 upon magnitude of this 4 9 4 13 और 1 14 4 और 1 5. Got it? Sure. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Ishwar, you have this B, right? Direction of the upper line. This is the direction of the lower line, right? Their dot product, their dot product, their dot product, their dot product divided by own magnitudes, individual magnitudes. Okay. Easy. Oh, यार मिस हो गया. So let it be. Got it? Good. ये हो गया all cases about line. Got it? All cases about line. Now comes plane. First, equation of plane. Okay. Whatever is the equation of line in 2D is the same equation of plane in 3D, just started with Z. So the standard equation of a line in 2D is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The standard equation of a plane in 3D is cz plus d equal to 0. Got it? Easy. Sure. But what is the vector format? So the vector format is interesting. Okay. That is the result of everything. The standard vector format is r dot a unit vector. Remember this, huh? Is equals to d. Here d is the distance from origin. Clear? N is a normal vector. Normal means perpendicular. You know it, right? Like I'll show you. देखो बेटा, कुछ नहीं है. ऐसे करके यहां पे मैं अगर लिख दूंगा कुछ भी, है ना, x plus 2y, clear, minus z equal to 5, you will get a plane. Got it? Can you see a plane? Right? Easy? Visible? See this. From origin, it is at some distance. Okay. How should I show you? From origin, it is at some distance. Clear? See, beta. From origin, it is at some distance, na? Got it? Yeah, perpendicular. That's normal. That is normal. Okay. Sure. Yeah. If I want to change the axis, what will I do? I'll change the direction of x. Say, for example, I'll write as -2. It will change. Axis is change. Clear? Easy. ऐसे तो सबसे ज्यादा कूल जो लगता है सर, इज इट लाइक पॉइंट, इज इट लाइक line point is without d and between and नहीं चमका बेटा. सुकुंतल, can you unmute? यह डिस्टेंस है ना. Now if I want to add another plane and see their intersection, that is the second point to learn. If I want to say x plus y, x plus z equal to 5. चलो देखिए प्लेन दिख रहा है, टू प्लेन्स. हाँ, sure, no problem, Girdesh. Okay. So I will say, I will give you a case question. Simple question, ना. For a plane, देखो मैं एकदम बता रहा हूं. You have very well seen now that this is something like the equation of a plane. Yes or no? I will convert this equation to this format. Will you like it? Yes. So see, you will say R is what? What is R? 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 Right or not? Dot 2, 1, -1. Got it? Easy. Everyone is dead. Congratulations to everyone, you are dead. No, not easy. Easy da. What happened? क्या हो गया बता ना. 2 1 -1. बादल देख, ये है डॉट प्रोडक्ट दिखता है एक्स वाई जेड, तो एक्स लिखा वाई लिखा जेड लिखा, और जो नंबर से 2 1 -1 ये लिख दिया. क्लियर बादल. नाउ देखो, अभी ये इट्स नॉट द इक्वेशन ऑफ अ प्लेन, इट इज लाइक अ, बिकॉज व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ इक्वेशन ऑफ अ प्लेन बेटा बता. this should be a this should be a this should be a यूनिट वेक्टर. इसको यूनिट वेक्टर बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय स्क्वायर रूट 6 करेंगे. तो यहां से भी डिवाइडेड बाय स्क्वायर रूट 6 करना पड़ेगा. सो व्हाट इज इट्स डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द origin, this is the distance from origin. Got it? What is n? This is n. R is r. Clear, 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 clear. Brrr. Easy. N including that root 6. Yes beta, n includes that root 6. Okay. No, nothing. That is it. That is what is the beauty. Just you have to write in the format. That's it. Got it, got it. Okay, okay. Chalo. Ready? Question करोगे? Yes. Simple, huh? Simple. Very, very simple. Find the equation of a plane at 2 units from origin and perpendicular to the line r is equals to 2i plus j plus k plus lambda I minus j plus 2k. Quickly. I won't do that. I will surely not do that. You know it. I won't do it. Are no answer, guys, please. No, acha. But what is normal? Will a normal be parallel to a plane or perpendicular to a plane? Very good. Is there anything given perpendicular to the plane? Is there anything given perpendicular to the plane? Yes. So can you get some hint? Hmm? चलो ठीक है, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. See, the equation will be r dot n I minus j plus 2k equal to d. Okay, now understand. Please understand, please understand, please understand. Is it unit vector? No. So divided by 6 or here 2. Got it? Easy, 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 easy. Got it, got it, got it. Say got it. Answer is this. That is it. That is it. That is it in the vector format. At max, what people might do? At max, what people might do? They might give this here. Clear? Like if the same question would have been asked and the options are given into the Cartesian format, then the answer will be x minus y plus 2z equal to 2 root 6. Got it? Got it, 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 got it. No, Ganesh, what happened? Ganesh, what happened? What happened, my dear Ganesh? What happened? Chalo. In all the questions, R will remain as a beta. R is a variable, Mayur. Clear? So how you found normal? Normal beta anything. See, understand this. This is a plane. Any perpendicular on this plane, will be in the direction of normal only, na? So that's what. You don't have to wait at particular normal coming from origin only. Everything is proportional only, and we have to anyway convert it to magnitude 1. So that's what simplifies our effort. Okay? So good. Ready? Good. Question. Simple question, simple question, simple question, simple question. Find the equation of a plane. Okay. Find the equation of a plane. Find the equation of a plane at 5 units from origin and containing vector v1 and v2
Hello
on
guys, welcome back
it.
to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So
v1
this is
is
Talapati
I
Vijay's
minus
birthday
j
month, and
plus
so we are
2k,
starting with
v2 is 2I minus j plus 3k. Idea. No. Yes. Got it. Yeah, containing means completely in it, not intersecting it. Okay. Exactly. Very good. And how will you find that? By cross multiplication. Easy. Understood? You guys got it now. Easy. Good. Very good. Quickly. Quickly. अरे यार मयूर क्या हो गया? देख बेटा क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करना. क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट तो कर. देख क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करोगे, right? Adhiyaman might be, yeah, very. I was telling Adhiyaman and he sent it also. Very good. Shabash. Got it. Everyone got it. Yeah, you guys won it, right? मयूर चमका. वेरी गुड. ये हुई ना बात. Very good. Excellent. There's a difference in 2 minus and 1 minus 1 plus. क्या हो रहा है? Check that reason. Because those two things mean different. अच्छा जी, both plus, very good Dharani, very good, no problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. Understood, 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 understood. Clear? Very good, very good. Now, see, another challenge, okay? You guys might not like it. Can you find the intersection between can you find the intersection between a plane and a line? आहा, ये हुई ना बात, अभी देखो चमकेगा, दिखाऊं? देखो, so just now you guys said कि minus x plus y plus z equal to 5 root 3, right or not? Is a plane. Let's make it 5 for easier calculation. That's it, we are learning, right or not? Sure. Okay, this is a plane, this is a plane, this is a plane, this is a plane. Yes or no? 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 Yes. Now suppose this is a line x minus 1 upon 2 equal to y minus 3 upon 4 equal to z minus nothing upon 1. Can you tell me what is the point of intersection of the plane and the line? Quickly. ये क्या है? चल सिंपल है, कुछ नहीं करना, इसको इक्वल टू लेना कोई भी कांस्टेंट t. Now you guys are talking to me, very good. So x will be equal to 2t plus 1 equal to 4t plus 3 and z will be equal to t. At the point of intersection, these 2 points will be same. So the same thing gets substituted here, minus 2t minus 1 plus 4t plus 3 plus t equal to 5. Got it? I don't know what 7 by 4 or 372 which one is correct, but what I can see is 2t plus 1 is 3t. 5 में से 3 गया, 2 बचा और 1, और t equal to 1 आ गया रे. Wow, what a beautiful question. I created a question now, right? t equal to 1 आ गया तो right 3 7 1 is the answer. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Got it. Good. Chamka, chalo. Today I extended a bit long for you guys. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye, 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 bye. We will proceed further. Okay, understood. I hope you understood. Bye, 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 bye. आज Friday, Mayur. Okay, guys. In the evening, no. Friday, no. Tomorrow, yes, extra class, है ना? Bye. Take care. Take care. Take care. Bye, bye, bye. बैच वॉक कल ही करेंगे बेटर, है ना? Bye, 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 bye. Time tomorrow evening, because tomorrow I had a conversation with JT sir. So JT sir will be taking your class of history, I guess. Okay.